Most men lose before they even start. Why? Because they approach women from a place of lack. They think, I hope she likes me. I need to impress her. I don't want to lose her. That energy is weak, and women feel it instantly. Stoicism teaches something different. You don't chase what you don't need. The moment you need her to validate you, you've already lost your power. 1. Attraction is not about words, it's about energy. You can say all the right things, but if your energy is off, it won't matter. Women are not primarily attracted to logic, words, explanations. They are attracted to presence, confidence, emotional control. A Stoic man walks into a room and doesn't seek attention. He becomes the attention, not because he's loud, but because he is calm, grounded, unshaken. That energy says, I am enough with or without you, and that is irresistible. 2. Stop trying to impress, start being unpredictable. Average men try to impress. They reply instantly, agree with everything, over-explain, over-give. Result? They become predictable, and predictable men are boring. A Stoic man does the opposite. He takes his time, speaks less but with weight, doesn't always agree, lives his own life. This creates mystery, and mystery creates attraction. Because what a woman can't fully figure out, she starts to think about. 3. Detachment is your greatest weapon. Here's the paradox. The less you need her, the more she wants you. Most men text too much, chase too hard, try to lock her down quickly. But a Stoic man understands, attachment too early destroys attraction. Detachment doesn't mean you don't care. It means you're okay if she stays, you're okay if she leaves. That emotional independence creates respect into curiosity, into attraction. 4. Control your emotions, or they will control you. A woman will test you, not because she hates you, but because she wants to feel your strength. She might ignore your message, cancel plans, act distant. Most men react emotionally. Why are you ignoring me? Did I do something wrong? And instantly, they lose respect. A Stoic man, he remains calm. He understands your reaction is your power. When you don't react emotionally, you become unshakable, and that builds deep attraction. 5. Build a life she wants to enter, not one that revolves around her. Here's a mistake most men make. They make the woman their center. Big mistake. A woman doesn't want to be your whole world. She wants to be part of a world that is already strong, purpose-driven, moving forward. A Stoic man is focused on his mission, his growth, his discipline. So when a woman enters his life, she feels like she's joining something powerful, not babysitting someone empty. 6. Silence is more powerful than talking. Most men talk too much. They explain themselves, try to convince, try to prove their worth. A Stoic man understands silence creates intrigue. When you don't explain everything, she wonders, she thinks, she becomes curious, and curiosity is the beginning of emotional investment. 7. Respect first, love comes later. You don't get love first, you get respect first. And respect comes from boundaries, self-control, walking away when necessary. If a woman sees that you tolerate anything, you're afraid to lose her, you always come back, she won't respect you. And without respect, love cannot grow. 8. Be willing to walk away. This is where most men fail. They stay even when they're disrespected, they're ignored, they're undervalued. Why? Fear. Fear of losing her. But here's the truth. The man who is willing to walk away holds the power. A Stoic man doesn't threaten to leave. He simply leaves, silently, calmly, without drama. And that level of self-respect, it hits differently. 9. Make her invest emotionally. Attraction grows when she invests, not when you do everything. Let her ask questions, initiate sometimes, think about you, miss you. If you're always available, she has nothing to chase, and humans value what they work for. 10. Don't seek validation, become it. Most men want approval. A Stoic man doesn't. He already knows his value. He doesn't beg for attention, seek constant reassurance, need compliments. His mindset is, I know who I am. That inner certainty creates magnetic confidence. Love is a byproduct of who you become. You don't make a woman fall in love, you become the man she can't ignore. When you control your emotions, stay grounded, focus on your purpose, maintain mystery, set boundaries, something happens naturally. She starts to think about you, respect you, feel drawn to you, and eventually she falls. Not because you chased her, but because you never needed to. Finally, stop trying to win her. Start becoming the man who doesn't need to. Because in the end, the man who is calm in chaos, silent in noise, strong without showing off, and detached without being cold is the man women remember and chase. This is just the beginning. Watch the next video to master yourself. This is the eternal discipline. Subscribe to the eternal discipline to be unstoppable.